Hi guys, and welcome back here to the Dead Realm, and today we're gonna carry on our TCG card, and let's jump right into it. We are building the custom rules. Okay, so now we have the custom rule here, which is really good, really great. Now what happened is that we need to call that API custom rule client. So I think that we are safe to only call the server. We can successfully say that we don't care about the client unless we have to do that. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to basically plug this and we are going to say hello, all right? Because the custom rule should basically imagine that you have a card that says draw extra 5 or draw extra 2 cards. So my idea here is that we only pass the components to this card. So we are gonna basically pass here. We're gonna create here. What is it? Name, graph, blah, blah, blah. So we are gonna add here 2 new inputs. So the player, and this is gonna be the component. What is the component? Sorry, BPC component. BPC component. And we are gonna add another one, which is going to be the enemy, right? Which is also the BPC component. Now, what I can do here is I can break this data. So I can get player, let's say info, and I can break this data. And I can get the player ID, right? And then I'm going to also do something crazier. I'm just going to maybe add this to 50 seconds, just because I would like to see what happened. And now I'm going to get my enemy, right? And the enemy, it's going to be green, whatever. And we are going to basically get the player info. And the same thing, we're going to get the ID of the player. And we're going to plug it right here. Nice. So one last thing I would like to check is, we still show the ID. That's good as a test. So now what we do is simple. We need to pass here the player and we need to pass here the enemy, so the component knows what to do. All right, let's press play. I have a good feeling about this. I think this is gonna work. So I have 3 2 4 6 2 and then 25 whatever. So let's go. Okay, I got a bonus card, so I have 2 points of health. Let's roll here. I'm basically being defeated by my own rules, which is amazing. But anyway, so now I should see my ID as, what's the color again? I should see the player ID as pink and the enemy as green. Okay, so let's see that. Let's go back to here. So I should see the enemy as green. So enemy is that, and my is that one. Means that's working. That is good. Now, guys, all you gotta do here is literally create a function, and this is gonna be called. Actually, I'm gonna create a new function here. I'm gonna create here a new function called fn. Let's say custom rule, right? Start. Now what happens is that we call that, the function is that. All you gotta do here is to add 2 new things. So one's gonna be the player, one is going to be the enemy, and basically we are just gonna return this function and do nothing. That's it. That's all we gotta do. Now you're probably asking, but okay, why not do anything? How do we create a custom rule? And here is where the programming world is amazing. So look at this. I'm gonna do one, and then you guys can, go nuts and create whatever you want as rules. For example, we have here, let's say, the fireball. Okay, fireball does 3 damage to the enemy and draw. Let's say draw 5 cards. Something ridiculous. Just to see that this thing is working out. Now, Because we have a custom rule, we can literally go back here and we can create here a child. And we can call this BP custom rule variable, right? Now we're gonna, here we're gonna go back to the cards. All you gotta do, you just assign that to the variable, right? Okay. Now what happened is that, but now Mario, how can I actually draw or add 2 new cards, whatever? So you're gonna go back here to override, and you're gonna search for the custom rule, or you see, FN custom rule start. Now we do want to care, we don't care necessarily about the parent, so we can delete them. Now what I'm gonna do here is that because the things say we add a new card and we got the reference to the component, what we can actually do here is that we can call the API draw, right? Draw a new card. And we add here as well. And we can also call API send notification. And that basically is going to say variable effect, right? And then we can do a literal string. You go, right? You go 2 extra cards, right? Now, after that, you just want to make sure you destroy this object, so destroy actor. Because this is running on the server, it has the authority to do that for us, all right? So you can press play, and let's see if we can get fireball, right? So let's end the turn, end the turn, end the turn. Come on, fireball, fireball, roll, roll, come on, end the turn. Come on, man, just give me a fireball card. Now it doesn't come anymore. As you can see, just because I need it is no. Come on, man. Okay. This is ridiculous. Okay, this is the worst part of this. It's just making sure that we get Astro card, right? Come on. This is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Come on. Ah, there you go. Fireball, guys. You got fireball. Nice. Okay, cool. Thanks. I got a fireball. All right. Right. Look at this. Now we're going to throw the card. And boom. You got 2 Astro cards. Look at that. We created our own version of like Hearthstone. Because Hearthstone does that, you know. Now I can end the turn. And let's see if we can get fireball here as well. End of the turn. There you go. Got on the fireball, right? So you can roll here, of course. Nice. So now the fireball is the most powerful card in this game. But look at this. Boom. I got 2 Astro cards. And that's it. That's all we got to do. Maybe we can try to do that again, right? Roll. Crazy thing is that my enemy, he haven't got any fireball card. Let's just try to play again. Let's just clean our game here. So not started, right? There we go. Fireball. Yes, we go fireball. Nice. I go. Yeah. So look at this. We have 3. We're gonna use the card, and we should have now 5. Look at that. We had 2 Astro cards, and that's how you basically create your own custom role, guys. I just want to thank you very much for watching this so far. If you did this far, congratulations, really. It's been a very intense series. What we are going to do here for the next episode is to create now the counter. So you're going to have a counter here, like it's your turn. So that will be managed by the game instance. So it's just going to be basically a delay that every 1 second we set that value to 0 to 1 increases. And then at the end of the turn, we decrease the value. And we have like a counter here or something on the enemy turn. I'm not sure how we're going to scope out this, but we can just leave it here. So thank you very much for watching, guys. And I see you in the next one.